So finally out. You can see the happiness in my face by having a good puri. And always, being a North Indian, we would love having puri. And yes, this is the bus which will be boarding. This is by Government of Karnataka. We are doing a one-day city trip in this bus, and this is the website from where you can book the tour. It costs 550 rupees. We're gonna take this bus for a one-day city trip of Bangalore. Let's go. So guys, this is the bus. It's very neat and clean, well lit. Actually, I would say it's very good. And we got a guide for the day, and we're going to the first trip, first location, that is ISKCON temple. Let's go and watch. So we are here right now at Sri Prabhupada ISKCON Bangalore, and let's go inside. I don't know if we can shoot inside the temple, but yes, this is the temple. We are going to Bangalore, and we are starting off day with the name of Hare Ram Hare Krishna. That is the view of the ISKCON temple in Bangalore. So guys, right now we are in this Banerghata National Park in Bangalore, in the outskirts of Bangalore. But we have decided that we'll come to this place called Butterfly Park, because I've been traveling to so many national parks and I don't want to repeat the same thing again and again. So try to go somewhere which is a bit different from the usual thing. So let's go inside and see that how different this experience can be. So just after finishing the butterfly camp, we came here for the lunch, which is Mayura Vanashri restaurant, which is a KSRTTC restaurant to have. And I really appreciate the ambience, which is so well decorated right in between of this. Okay, by the way, just for your information, it is very beautiful as you have seen in the videos of the butterfly camps. For more pictures, please come to my Instagram and Facebook. I'll keep the links there. The single pictures, the zoomed pictures and all this thing apart from the videos are uploaded there. So you can come there and watch those pictures and the clips. Apart from this, just few information, you can have a safari ride, a bus ride, a car ride, so a group of 6, and safaris on 350 for adults, and there are 3 categories for children, for adults, for senior citizens. So I guess whatever you want. We already traveled a lot with these forest camps and all, so we didn't want to repeat it once again, so we wanted something different, and I hope that I've shown you something different as well.